Today, your topic is parts of a speech. There are what is a parts of a speech? Different kinds of words are called parts of a speech. As for example, Ram Shyam Patna etc. It is of eight kind. Number one, noun. Number two, pronoun. Number three, adjective. Number four, verb. Number five, adverb. Number six, preposition. Number seven, conjunction. And number eight, interjection. What is a noun? Noun is the naming word. It is the name of person, place, or thing. You can say other definition. The word which is used for naming anything is called a noun. There are five kinds of a noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. What is the proper noun? Proper noun is the particular name of person, place, or animal. As for example, person name Ram Shyam, place Patna Vikram, animal you give the special name of animal, just like pussy, Mary, doggy, it is proper noun. Number two, common noun, the word which is used common for anything names, any animal's name. As for example, cow, dog, buffalo are the examples of common noun. Number three, material noun, the name of substance from which things are made is material noun. You cannot count material noun. You can only weight and measure the material noun. It is always used in singular number. As for example, gold, silver, iron, you cannot count the material noun. Number four, collective noun, the collection of the thing. The name of the collection of the thing is collective noun. As for example, class, a bunch of key. In this phrase, bunch is collective noun. A baby of lady are the examples of collective noun. Number five, abstract noun. The name of the feeling or idea is abstract noun. As for example, goodness, birdness, friendship, cleverness. You cannot see the abstract noun. You can only feel the abstract noun. So there are five kinds of a noun: proper, common, collective, material, and abstract. You know, there are two numbers of a noun: singular number and plural number. Singular, the word which indicates one thing that is in singular number. As for example, boy. It indicates only one thing. Number two, plural number, the word which indicates more than one thing, that is in plural number. They, as for example, boys, girls, they are plural number because it indicates more than one thing. There are some rules for changing from singular to plural. Number one, the word which is generally we add s or es. The word which ends with s, ch, x, double s, we add es to make plural from singular. Number two, the word which ends with f or fe, we change f or fe into the and add es to make from singular to plural. As for example, thief, thief, we change the f into v and add es, thievef, thieves. Number three, the word which ends from y and preceded by vowel, we add only s. As for example, boy, 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 here boy, y ends y and preceded vowel, so we change boys, boys. The word which is ends from y but preceded consonant, we change y into I and add es. And for example, lady, lady. Here, this word ends from y and preceded by consonant. So we change ladies, ladies. Number 4 rule. Some words are changed in the middle. As for example, man, we change vowel name. Woman, woman. The pronunciation you can say woman, women or woman. Both are correct. Number next, some words are special that is formed for example, child. The plural form, children. Some words. Next step, the word box. Here, box. We change boxes. These are the rules of changing from singular to plural. Thank you.